Drag the part to the right place. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Timber loader. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. That's all. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Now you try. Time to fix the Via train to pass. Shift the gear to move. Choose the next game. Tap on the car wash to wash the vehicle. We need to wash. Timber loader. Let's start foaming the machine. Try it on your own. Drag the foamer onto the machine to cover it with foam. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Go on. Run the washer over the machine and clean up the rest of the foam. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. Silhouette. You're doing really great. Move the part to the right place. Move the part to the right place. Drag the part to its place. Drag the part to its place. Keep it up. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it! Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Don't stop! To make the machines continue building. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Go on. Drag the grinder over the stain and clean the rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! Drag the vehicle onto its place. Keep up the good work.